In this video, we are gonna make our own complete home automation system in which you will not only able to control AC appliances but only that this kit has built-in temperature and humidity sensor. This is all we are gonna make in this video by using Tuya IoT platform. So let's get started. The Tuya company has sent me this sandwich evaluation kit. Now after some time I open this environment sensor board. This sensor looks so unique and its working feature is showing real-time humidity and temperature measuring. Then second kit is W3S MCU board and third kit is socket. So I will be making full IoT project for using Arduino UNO. I have designed a 3D printed box to do this all kit in one box, which is the quality very good, and it will now look like I have brought any home automation device from the market, but this one I made it. First I before placed Arduino, but there soldering the power wire in Arduino I connected to Arduino DC terminal, and also I provided reset function, so I connect the second wire Arduino D7 to soldering. There is the same connection in second Arduino. Now assemble Arduino in base. It is a switch there. I connected first and second Arduino wire and ground wire. Now 5V power supply kit and placed in the base. Then I connect AC wire in first connector and second wire connected into second connector. Now power supply DC wire to connect in Arduino. After some time I put the MCU board in the first Arduino. After that the same process was done in the second Arduino. I connected socket board and environment sensor board. Now we can move on to our computer for software setup. Link in the description box below. Sign up and make an account. Need over to product, go on the development tab and then create a product. Right now we'll be trying to simulate on our device or home automation. So I will quickly go to the light section, then I will select general lighting and lighting source, then I will go to custom solution. This is what we are going to do, and click on this. I will quickly give this a name, let's say home automation, and I will, because we are using the Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth module with standard power consumption, we will quickly go ahead and create this. Done. It asks for adding clear, remove all the option from here. DP means data point is basically I will move on to the hardware development using Tuya standard module. So WDR1 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. So I will quickly select that. We need to go to selecting a firmware. There only one firmware we just need to. Now again I go to same entire process because of I showing weather condition like humidity and temperature in my project. Just need to connect Arduino to my computer, so I just connect the Arduino and not connecting the shield right now, because if you connect the shield and then try to program the Arduino, it given you an error because the Tuya module and the Arduino communicate over the same serial port as the Arduino, and tools select the correct board and port and click the upload button. So once it's done uploading, you just need to disconnect your Arduino for a moment. You can connect the shield up to the Arduino as the same process for second Arduino board. I have installed a 12-volt DC cooling fan to keep this device cool, so that this device will be kept it cool and the device will be work well. Now our device is complete. To give it a better look, and I have used Tuya platform, so now I am designing 3D printed logo to make it more beautiful and attractive and look like a professional device. Here we are connecting the power supply wire on one side and the bulb wire on the another side. The Tuya Smart app from the App Store, I already done that, and register an account on that. You can click on add device, you can click on auto scan. Once you find the device, you just need to enter your Wi-Fi and password and hit on the confirm button. It will start the connection process. You see the bulb blinking as well. That's the connect bulb which show the status. If it's blinking, that means it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Once it's successfully connected to the Wi-Fi, will stop blinking, and that is what happened right now. You see the LED turn on as well. I click the off button, it will turn off. If I go back on the, here we are presenting real-time home temperature and humidity along with home appliances. Thanks to the Tuya IoT platform, this whole project was possible.